So good morning everyone. So today we discuss about EMF equation of transformer. EMF equation of transformer. So already we discussed about working principle of transformer. This is the symbolic representation of transformer. This is the symbolic representation of the transformer. This is the windings. Transformer has two windings. So one is low voltage winding, one is high voltage winding. If the winding is connected to supply, that is called primary winding, that is called AC supply. If the winding is connected to load, that is called secondary winding. This is the flux. So number of turns is N1 for primary. I am indicate that one is primary. Number of turns in secondary. Once I am telling that the transformer consists of two windings. If the winding is connected to supply, is called primary winding. If the winding is connected to load, is called secondary winding. These two windings are electrically separated but magnetically coupled. These two windings are electrically separated but magnetically coupled. So I am giving AC supply to the primary winding. Did not work for the DC because DC has constant flux. So I am giving AC supply. AC is alternating type. This is the maximum flux. This one is the time. This is the first half cycle. This one is second half cycle. According to Faraday's second law, the induced EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of flux linkage. That is equal to minus n d pi by dt. The induced EMF is equal to what? Minus n d pi by dt. So here what is the flux? Phi equal to what? Pi m sin omega t. What about induced EMF? E equal to minus n d pi by dt. Consider primary winding. primary winding, that is n equal to n1. If in case you consider secondary, n equal to n2, n equal to n2. So that is equal to minus n1 d by dt of what is the pi m sin omega t, m sin omega t, that is equal to minus n d by dt of m sin omega t, that is equal to minus n m cos omega t, cos omega t into omega, cos omega t into omega. So here onwards minus n1 m omega cos omega t. This cos omega t can be replaced with cos theta sin 90 minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. So I am replace cos omega t with sin 90 minus omega t, sin 90 minus omega t, that is equal to minus n m omega sin 90 minus omega t, 90 minus omega t, that is induced EMF in E1, induced EMF in E1. So here also can be replaced the minus with n1 pi m omega sin omega t minus 90, sin omega t minus 90. I am replaced with this reverse order. So this minus into minus is plus n1 pi omega sin omega t. So this is look like what? E is equal to em sin omega t, E is equal to em sin omega t. This em is what? Maximum value. This em is equal to what? What is that one? This is the maximum value. This one is the maximum value. So the induced EMF, in the primary winding in RMS value equal to maximum value divided by root 2. What is that? RMS value equal to maximum value divided by root 2. So E1 equal to what is the maximum value? N1 pi m omega divided by root 2, divided by root 2. What is the omega? Omega equal to 2 pi f. Substitute E1 is equal to n1 pi m 2 pi f divided by root 2, 2 pi f divided by root 2. This is E1 is equal to 4.44 f pi m n1. The value of 2 pi divided by root 2, the value of 2 pi divided by root 2, that is equal to 4.44. The EMF induced in the secondary, the EMF induced in secondary, n equal to what? n2, n equal to n2. So E2 equal to 4.44 f pi m n2, f pi m n2. This is the EMF equation of transformer for primary. E1 is equal to 4.44 f pi m n1. For secondary, E2 equal to 4.44 f pi m n2. So here some problems they ask, what is the flux density? Flux density B equal to pi by A. So flux density B equal to pi by A. So from that pi equal to what? B into A. So substitute E1 is equal to 4.44 f. In pi m we can replace B into A into n1. So for some problems they ask, they given B and A. For substituting the pi we can use B into A. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 1, E1 by N1 that is equal to 4.44 F by M. From equation 2, E2 by N2 that is equal to 4.44 F by M. So that is EMF per turn is same for both primary winding and secondary winding. Primary winding and secondary winding. This is about EMF equation. This is about EMF equation. So next, transformer. Here already discussed about working principle. So transformer can be mainly two operations. That is, step up the voltage. Second one is step down the voltage. Step up the voltage, step down the voltage. So that means here I am considering the transformer. Here I am giving supply. Here I am connected to load. This one is N1, N2. If the V1 is voltage on primary, V2 is voltage on secondary. N1 equal to number of turns on primary. N2 equal to number of turns on secondary. V1 equal to primary voltage. V2 equal to secondary voltage. E1, E2. If secondary voltage greater than primary voltage, the secondary voltage is greater than primary voltage, is called step up transformer. That means if V2 is greater than V1 or otherwise E2 greater than E1 is called step up transformer. If the secondary voltage is less than the primary voltage, is called step down transformer. That is, V1 is greater than V2. If V1, V2 is greater than decided by the number of turns. We can see the tomorrow class. Thank you.